G'day everyone, Mitch here again, and welcome back to your favourite Model T Ford channel. So, as you probably gathered by the title of this video, it is an unboxing. Got some parts just came in today for the Model T, and I thought I'd share that with you. So, let's get into the video. Got a nice sharp knife here so I can get into the box a lot easier. So what I've actually got here, this actually came from the US in record time, I've got to say. I'm very impressed. And these parts actually came from Snyder's, which are based in Ohio. So big shout out to you guys at Snyder's. I've been dealing with you guys for many years for my Model T parts. And I will just say, this is not an endorsement for any service or anything else or any product at all, so I don't get a commission for doing this. So I just wanted to shout out to the wonderful guys at Snyder's for all of their great help over the years. So let's have a look in this box and see what we've got. I could almost do an ASMR video out of this, but I won't. Okay, so what we actually have here is I ordered a new brand spanking new set of wooden coils for Liz. Haven't been able to get them for some time. Finally, I have been able to get them, and here they are, proper brand spanking new wooden coil boxes. And of course, the Model T has a 4-cylinder engine, so I have actually got 4 of them. There's the second one. Now for the last 13, 14 years, I can't remember how long it's been now that I've had the Model T, nearly 14 years. It has been running with wooden coils. Oh, sorry, say that again. Been running with plastic coils. And they've been great actually, but I always wanted some wooden ones in there, and I thought, well, I can get some, or I should say I've got some pre-loved ones, but they do need servicing. So I thought, well, in the meantime, I'll treat myself to some brand new wooden coils, and then I can keep the plastic ones as spares. Let's put that down there. So, and there's the last one. All right, and there's one more item in this package. Yep. Now you might recall a very recent video I did where I had to machine the timer because it had basically gotten a rather rippled surface in it, and it was making the Model T run like an absolute pig. So I thought, well, what I'll do so that I'm certain that the Model T is going to run beautifully, I went ahead and I ordered a brand new timer, which of course comes with a brand new roller as well. So just to clarify, it is a roller timer that I have bought the replacement of. I did look into buying a Anderson timer, and after doing a little bit of deliberation and thinking about it, I thought, at this stage, probably not. And I know there's probably going to be a flood of comments now from you guys saying, oh, well, you should have gone with an all what do you call it? New Day timer or an Anderson timer. And it's like, well, you guys are all entitled to your opinion, and I don't doubt that they probably do work very well for your application, but I've always made a point of keeping my Model T as original as I possibly can in terms of the parts that I put in it. Now, I'm aware that Anderson timers obviously were available back in the day, and I don't doubt that they work really well. But for the time being, at least, I'm going to stay with something with which I'm familiar, which is the good old-fashioned roller timer, which is what the Model T came out of the factory with to begin with. So that's my take on it, and that's what I'll be doing with the brand new one. So, that's the unboxing part complete. And as I say, 4 brand new coils for the Model T and a brand new roller timer. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. That's all I really wanted to share with you on this occasion. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, again, don't forget to leave a comment below, smash that subscribe button and give us a like, a thumbs up, and also don't forget to tap on that notification bell so you can stay up to date with any new videos I put up. Well, that's all from me in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.